Many of us find it difficult to stop a bad habit. So in this video, I'm going to give you 7 simple steps in which you can stop or break bad habits. I'm the Immortal Boat and you are welcome to the channel.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Number 1 here, I have list what you eat. Now, you have so many bad habits that you kind of eat doing. So many things that you even eat about yourself, about the world. Just grab a sheet of paper or a book, depending on how much your list is, and start listing it. You can list up to 10, you can list up to 50, you can list up to 100. Depending on it, this can be from the phone you keep, it can be from the job you don't have, or it can be from the next door neighbor that keep on disturbing you in the community. Just keep on listing that list, and I assure you, you are going to get relief for doing that simple thing.
We're free. We're free.
And the number 2 is list who you want to become. Now, for instance, you scroll through Instagram and you see that guy with the aesthetic body, or you see that girl with the beautiful face and the beautiful body, or the billionaire that you're always following around, probably the likes of Andrew Tate or the likes of Robert Kiyosaki. Whichever it is, just that person that you admire, that person that you like seeing the most. Try and see that person and list that kind of thing that you want to become. The qualities you are looking for in yourself, the qualities that you are looking for in the type of person that, okay, this is who I want to be. That person you see in the mirror. For me, I just want a strong body, I want the money, and I just want peace and quiet. Then, identify the problems or the bad habits that you have. Whether it is because of masturbation or because you procrastinate a lot, or probably it's because you kind of talk a lot, or you don't even listen, you interject to people's conversation. What exactly is those bad habits you have? Some of you might be as simple as coming from school and just keeping your clothes anyhow. Or it can be that you don't take care of your room. Where exactly are those bad habits that you kind of see yourself that, okay, this is what exactly I want to stay. Identify the bad habits, then identify what you can fix. Now, some of you, what you can fix is washing your clothes. What you can fix is waking up early. What you can fix is a simple sit-up. First topic is even going to the gym, probably once or twice a week. Just identify that simple thing that you can fix. It doesn't have to be the bogus thing. Doesn't have to be the humongous thing. Just something as simple as is it that you know yourself that you can fix. Then start with the easy fix. That easy thing that you see in yourself. If it's as simple as learning how to cook, it is as simple as cleaning the table, it is as simple as even a good morning to your parents. Those kind of simple things that you think that, oh, they don't really matter. They are the kind of things that ruin your day and ruin your life. So what exactly is that simple thing that you can't fix?
Listen carefully.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. I want to sweep the floor. Or a simple thank you. Or a simple cleaning up your room. Identify that thing and start with fixing that little thing.
And that's out of the way.
Then develop an habit. Developing an habit in a sense that every morning when I wake up around 5 o'clock, I'm going to go for a walk. I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to go to the gym. Those kind of simple habits, probably it's when I come back from school, I'm going to carefully remove my clothes and keep it soaked in the laundry so that once I'm ready, I can wash it during the weekend or immediately I'm done. Or is even reading books. Your habits that I want to develop is 10 pages per day or as simple as 2 pages per day. Develop that kind of habits. You see, what's about life is that you don't get far in life without taking the first step, and you can't get to the top of the mountain without actually going through that first ground level. So what exactly it is that you want to start doing in your life? Develop that kind of small but simple habits. Then improve every step of the way. It can be as simple as from 2 pages per day to 5 pages per day. Whatever it is, just try and keep on doing, because the more your body develops, the more it needs more. And you don't need to start going, okay, you want to start taking dopamine and start scrolling through Instagram. Just do as much as possible to do that. About our seventh step, a bonus point is limit the time you spend in your bad habits. Please, if you did get that value from this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, and share this video. I'm the Immortal, and see you in the next video. Bye.